This camera is disappearing, and most people don't even realize why that matters. The Nikon Coolpix P950 is not just another camera. It is one of the last cameras that gave you insane zoom power without insane prices. And now it's slowly vanishing from stores. So the real question is, why are people still searching for it in 2026? Let's break it down. The biggest reason is simple. This camera can zoom farther than most people will ever need. We are talking about an 83x optical zoom. That's a massive 24 to 2000 equivalent range. In real life, this means something crazy. You can stand far away from a bird and still fill your entire frame with it. You can shoot the moon. You can capture wildlife without getting close. And you can do all of that without changing a single lens. That's what made this camera special. Most cameras today are powerful, but they need expensive lenses. And those lenses are not just expensive. They are heavy, bulky, and complicated. This camera removed all of that. It gave beginners a simple way to get extreme results. You turn it on, you zoom, you shoot, that's it. And for wildlife and bird photography, that simplicity is everything. Because in those moments, you don't have time to think. You don't have time to swap lenses. You either get the shot or you miss it. The P950 made sure you didn't miss it. But here's the part most people don't talk about. This camera was never perfect. It uses a small sensor. And that means one thing: image quality is good in daylight, but not amazing overall. In low light, things start to fall apart. You get noise, you lose detail, and at extreme zoom levels, sharpness drops. So this camera was always a trade-off. You get insane reach, but you sacrifice pure image quality. And surprisingly, many people were completely fine with that. Because getting the shot matters more than having the perfect shot. Now here's where things get interesting. The P950 is being discontinued. After years on the market, it is slowly disappearing from retailers. Stock is running out. Prices are becoming unstable. And once it's gone, it's gone. This is not just about one camera going away. This is about the end of a category. Budget Superzoom cameras are becoming rare. Companies are focusing more on high-end mirrorless systems. Bigger sensors, better video, higher prices. But in that shift, something is being lost: accessibility. The P950 was one of the few cameras that let normal people experience extreme photography without spending thousands of dollars. And now the closest option is the Nikon Coolpix P1100. Yes, it has even more zoom, a massive 125x range, but it also costs more. So for many beginners, it's no longer that easy entry point. And that changes everything, because cameras like the P950 were not just tools. They were gateways. They pulled people into wildlife photography, into birding, into exploring the world through a lens. Without them, the barrier becomes higher.